Hi, I'm Kania. Welcome to my channel. We have an IPSY unboxing. Yay! This is for March. Okay, so I got my box cutter back. So excited. Okay, sorry. I know it's weird. It's whatever. Okay. So beauty is more fun here, IPSY, and they brought back the book, but they don't have as much information in the book. So let me turn this. This seems like really bright in my face. Ooh, not that one. There we go. That's pretty. Okay, so I didn't pick anything. I didn't have time. I haven't checked my email. With that, we're not going to get into it. Okay, let's just get into the box, shall we? I feel like they've got new paper. I mean, come on, IPSY, come through. All right, let's go. Let's go. Let's handle it. I'm excited. I need a new makeup vanity. I need a big one with a bunch of drawers, and I already picked it out. I can't remember if it's on Amazon or Wayfair, but I did pick it out. It has like a shelf, and it has like a little other shelf I can set my phone on to record or this tablet on to record. The vanity Hollywood lights or whatever, and shelves on the side to put my like perfumes and hair stuff on. I'm so excited. I'm not sure when I'm going to be able to buy it, but yeah. Okay, first thing in the box. This looks interesting. This is Feel Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser. Hemp seed oil. Ooh, I cannot wait to test this on Yuka. Ooh, this looks interesting. Is it sealed? It must be sealed because it didn't leak. Yep, it is sealed for safety. Daily Hemp Oil Facial Cleanser. Hemp seed oil, antioxidant rich, reduces redness, gently cleanses. Ooh, mommy needs a new face wash. I don't really, but hey, I love it. Uh-oh. Okay, Tarte. This is not what I wanted. Okay. Tarte has been blown up on TikTok with the lash primer and what's it called? Tubing mascara. So I was thinking this was be it, but it's not. It's the shape tape concealer, radiant concealer in tan deep honey. I have been going through a concealer battle, as you all know. It is ongoing. It is never ending. I found one with e.l.f. It works great, but they don't carry the color I like or need in stores. So instead of ordering it online, I needed it because it's almost dried up. I didn't realize how low it was. And I'm not sure why I'm talking so loud, but maybe because the air conditioner's on. But I'm almost out. So hopefully this works well. I did get a NYX one. It's a little too dark. Like I was in Ulta with the 2 tubes that I needed to replace. The 1 tube, did I pull it out of my purse? No, because I felt like I didn't want to give them the suspicion of me thinking I'm stealing. So instead of having it out, I didn't look at it to compare it to the color I bought, nor did I do it when I got in the car, which would have made more sense. But anyway, and then I threw away the packaging, so I can't even return it. This is very soft and smooth. Okay, this is really pretty. Shape Tape Radiant, Radiant Concealer. And again, the color is tan deep honey. I am really light on my face, but the circles are really dark. So I would always tend to get a darker one, which is incorrect. I need to get one that matches my face color. So we'll see how this works. I will test that in a second. I just need to get to these other things that I don't know what they are, and I can't wait. This is Remy Eau de Parfum by Rosie Jane. Her scents smell so good. I have 2 other ones that I really like. The dark rum or something. Oh, it smells so good. Ooh, this is a nice one. I like it. Nice and tall. Okay. The other 2 were rollerballs, so. Oh, she smells good. Oh, and I'm in turn going to smell good. The scent is Remy, R-E-M-I. It's a fruity floral. I like it. I smell like a pepper or a grapefruit, maybe. Bright mandarin, fresh, cardamom, white, amber. Yeah, mandarin. Citrus. I never smelled of citrus. Oh, did I even show you the box? Gosh, I got so excited. All right, next, Summer Fridays. I love these. Summer Fridays Dream Lip Oil. Ooh, 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 ooh. Rosewood Nights. Rosewood Nights. As the scent or the color or something. This is the box. And if you notice, I have no nails. Yes, I took them all off. This is a lip oil. Hold up. Where's my tissue? Oh, time out. We're going to have to try some stuff on. Okay, we're going to have to try some stuff on. I have one more thing in this box. Wait 1 second. I have one more thing in this box. We're going to have to try some stuff on. Oh, sorry. No. Extremely close. All right. Let's handle it. And honestly, this was just a lip gloss, and I threw some stuff on from my desk just so I would have some color on my lips. But now we've got this Summer Fridays. This looks dark. Ooh, she's pretty. Oh, she's soft too. And not sticky. She is dark. Ooh. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, okay, here's the color. I'm just going to just do a little. She feels good. Ooh, she feels good. Rosewood Nights is the color. All right. I still have one more thing in the box. I am so excited. New Hey Honey, Make a Splash Intense Hydrating Aqua Serum. Moisture enhancer with honey and vitamin E. Hey Honey. That's cute. That is cute. The packaging on all of these is really cute. Well, Tarte is kind of basic, but the other ones are just, actually they're all kind of basic. It's not gonna lie. It's just the two-tone got me. They got me with the two-tone. Wow. That's nice looking. Oh. Okay. And it's a pump. Is that nice? What do I smell? Oh, I forgot. I smell good. This absorbs nicely. Nice and smooth. Oh, yes. And a little goes, so that little pump is doing my hand, which is obviously not a lot of surface area, but I can tell that it's going to go, a little goes along. That one pump is going to cover my whole face. Hydrating Aqua Serum, which is good for the winter and fall, which we don't have here that much, but it's, oh, wow. Oh, and as it dries, it is so silky smooth. Wow. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah, that's lovely. Okay, what did I do with the paper? I don't even know. Oh, is anything in here? Okay, let's start scanning, y'all, because I'm excited. I am excited. Woo! Okay. Where's my app? Okay, Yuka, let's go. Let's go handle it. Scan. We're going to first scan Hey Honey because she's right here. Okay. Not the best score. Don't care. I care, but This one, the barcode is slightly covered up. Did they cover up this barcode on purpose? Okay, hold on. I have to get it out of here now. I have to work it out. Yeah, I'm uncovering the barcode because they did cover it up with a little sticker. I guess so you couldn't scan it and sell it. Also, it's not horrible. 41. The first one was 39. This perfume, I don't expect high ratings on any of these. 38. The Tarte, which is supposed to be a really good, naturally kind of ish brand. Still waiting. Come on, Yuka, let's go. I ain't got time. So, ooh, that's bad. That's surprising. This looks good. This feels good too. And the face wash, last but not least. This is a cool box. I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking forward to all of this. This hemp oil is 85 out of 100. Bam, redeeming me for the whole box. Okay, we already know the Shape Tape is kind of expensive. Let's see if there's any prices in this book. Oh, I could have gotten the Maracuja Juicy Lip Vinyl Gloss or the Bad Gal. Oh, that's a sneak peek. Oh, for next month. Oh, perfect. Everything is in my... Yes, they read my mind. Okay, great. Okay, so I have prices on everything, all my exact products. I love it. All right, let's go to my calculator. Let's do it. So this box was approximately $35, I want to say. $36, $37 maybe. Okay, so the Tarte Shape Tape retails for $32. The Hey Honey serum retails for $49. I love this. The Summer Fridays retails for $26 for the lip oil, which feels amazing. The perfume retails for $29. And the Feel Beauty retails for $34, for a total of $170 worth of product for $32 or $35, something like that. I am excited. Ooh, so were there different Dream Oil colors? Ooh, this feels good. I am looking forward to everything in this box. Okay, so now that we've swatched the lips, let's go ahead and just swatch this lip product. I mean, this concealer. I already have concealer on, obviously, because you don't see the hollows of death under my eyes. So let's see. It looks a little dark. I'm not gonna lie. It looks a little dark. So it needs to be quite a bit lighter. Oh, I could be mistaken because it looks kind of light. Do I have a mirror? No. I mean, I do, but... Oh. El Maquillage. It's kind of light-ish. It's doing a good job of covering up what I already have on, which is clearly faded because I can see dark circles. Blends out nicely, though. Not gonna lie, that blended out really nicely. This is probably, well, I'm putting it on top of other color, which you really can't really see. But looking up close, I can tell the difference between this eye and this eye. Let's see how good we can get this color. That's not a good angle. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell. It actually did do a nice little job of covering up. So we're going to try this in the morning. We're trying this tomorrow. Because I'm all about concealer and concealing these under eye bags. Because I don't need to look my age when I can look 20 years younger. Okay, this was a cool box. I am excited. I'm looking forward to this. I've heard great things about this as far as coverage and longevity, I guess. I haven't heard bad things about the Shape Tape. So But I don't know. I just didn't want to try it, I guess. I think I felt like it was overhyped. And you know, when you feel like it's overhyped, you don't want it. Well, me, I don't. So that blended out really smoothly too. And it feels very lightweight, and I don't feel like I need powder to set it. Wow. Looking at my eyes, like I really wish you could see what I see as far as, wow. It looks like I have concealer here, but it doesn't. You know what I mean? Like I can tell that I know I put some on, but it is clearly faded, along with my under eye eyeliner. But that's neither here nor there. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not tried the IPSY Glam Bag Plus, whatever this is called, I don't even know what it's called anymore because they've changed the name to BoxyCharm, then they changed it to something else. Oh, these braids. Ugh. It's just, they're right here on my ear, but I wear glasses, so it's always like a wrestling match. Is Anastasia doing the next box? The next icon box? Build my April box. Okay. Yeah, I'm super happy. The Remy by Rosie Jane smells really good. All of the scents that I've gotten, the dark rum is my favorite. I wish it wasn't in a roller ball. I wish it came in a spray, and it probably does, but I need to find it because it smells really good. Anyway, if you have not tried it, go to ipsy.com, sign up for a subscription that fits you and your budget. This one I love. This is the top tier, and then you have the icon box that comes once a quarter, which is an amazing box. Always awesome. I think there was one time it was like meh for me, but I still liked all the products. So what does that say? Anyway, y'all take care. Love on each other. Tell the people around you that you care about them.